Good evening, my fellow affected psychopaths. Today I'll be injecting you with the insanity that is my voice. Let's get started. God dang darn it, Steve! Get y'all kids off my property! That's right, you better run. If I see you kids here again, I'll blow your darn head off! Oh, howdy fellow infected psychopaths, didn't see you there. Welcome to my farm! At this farm, we only produce the freshest amount of Lego shotguns. All shotguns are made organically and freshly, by yeeting the seeds in the soil. We, of course, like many farms, grow all kinds of crops. We have different types of shotguns, to semi-automatic, to pump action, to...
Hello?
God dang it, Steve! I thought I told your kids to get off my lawn. See? I told you I'll blow your guys' goddamn head off. Now where was I? God darn it! I lost my train of thought. Whatever. Roll the clips, please.
Starting over as a fairy tale. Don't wake me up, don't break the spells. I'm trying to get away from the mess that I've made. I was terrified, then on my knees suggest to drop it. How many tears were shed? How much blood was spilled? I took you as a friend to escape my fate. For fuck's sake, I swear I'll never let you rest. And I spell on the grave.
This, my dear psychopaths, is the JL shotgun. JL standing for Joint Lock Shotgun. You'll find out why it's called that here in a minute. The shotgun is single fire, using shells as the ammunition. The shells can hold up to either one Lego or two Legos, meaning the shotgun can either be spread shot or almost like a slug-like shell can be loaded in. The shotgun has a unique stock in the back, due to the fact that it can open up to house more ammunition. One of the reasons why I call this gun the JL gun, also known as the Joint Lock Shotgun, is due to its ability to be able to be breech-loaded. It went through many designs to get the breech-loaded mechanism to work, but one that I settled is almost like a jointed lock. When the joint is moved upwards, it loosens the barrel so I can actually push the barrel down so I can load a shell into the barrel. When I move the barrel back up and push the joint back down, it locks it in place, allowing the barrel not to be able to fall back down again. The shells are unique in a way. It has been done before, but not necessarily like mine. Mine uses a spring. Other people have made their own shotguns with breech-loaded, but they're mostly almost kind of like rubber band powered. They still shoot the Lego bricks, but they're mostly rubber band powered. The benefit of using springs is springs have a lot more energy potential, allowing to fling the projectile further. The best way I can describe how my shells work is it's very similar to like the bolt action old Lego guns that I used to see way back when people first started making Lego guns. Basically, there was a bolt that kind of like had a rubber band attached to it, and there'd be a projectile in front of the bolt, and the projectile would get stopped by the trigger. This is essentially how my shells work. Same mechanism, but built differently. The projectile is loaded onto the spring of the shells, which gets stopped by a pen. Within the guns, there's a mechanism that actually slides the pin down, allowing the projectile to be released, ultimately firing the gun.
Distance of single round is 18 feet or 5.486 meters. Distance of spread shot is 24 feet or 7.3152 meters.
Wander in a wonderland with all sins, plain sense, and you just sit here in the middle lane. Told you once I bear my crown, but it's long gone. I sold it out for your eyes, thought I was so wrong. I'm breaking out of the matrix, I already find the game. I celebrate under mayhem that made me whole again, so that I can enjoy the ride while I'm drifting away from the space. I found an answer where I thought there were none. I sink in these shallow waters I'm meant to swim in. I'm sinking in stars. I'm turning inside your blessed away. We've waited all our lives for a wonderful way to survive. There's no way to hide, there's no way to fight it now. Unless you get the fuck up and rise. Never to die, just another riot in the reservoir roars. Shit, I got this fucking time. One line of all of the soul, that's the way I stand just 'cause I want my job. I'm taking style of me. I'm turning to your best. No, no, no. We've waited all our lives for a wonderful way to survive. A wonderful way to survive. Starting over as a fairy tale. Don't wake me up, don't break the spell. A wonderful way to survive. Starting over as a fairy tale. Don't wake me up, don't break the spell. I'm trying to get away from the mess that I've made. I was terrified, then on my knees suggest to drop it. How many tears were shed? How much blood was spilled? I took you as a friend to escape my fate. For fuck's sake, I swear I'll never let you rest. And I spit on the grave. I'm sticking and and we wander in a wonderland with all sins, plain sense, and you just sit here in the middle lane. Told you once I bear my crown, but it's long gone. I sold it out for your eyes, thought I was so wrong. I'm breaking out of the matrix, I already find the game. I celebrate under mayhem that made me whole again, so that I can enjoy the ride while I'm drifting away from the space. I found an answer where I thought there were none.
very, very quiet. I'm hunting for Steve's kids.
Nothing like a nice relaxing day outside. Nature, birds I've seen. Just relaxing. Nothing could ruin this perfect moment. God damn it!
Hey, Steve's kids, guess what season it is? Hunting season!
No, it's not. It's cycle season.
Wait. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Calendar says differently.
Oh, really now? Let me see that. Let me see that. Okay, let's see here. Blah, blah, blah. Today's annual cycle season. Wait, what? It is cycle season? What the hell? What? Hey, where's my guns? Uh-oh.
Hey, Biohazard. It's hunting season.
Damn. Today for this classic part note, make sure to like and subscribe. Also hit or shoot the notification bell. Also be sure to comment on video and let me know what you guys think of things. Be sure to check out my Twitter as well for my daily life updates, as well as upcoming videos. Until next time, see you later, psychopath.
Unless you got the fuck up and rise. Never to die, just on the right in the reservoir. Shit, my back's broken. One night of all of the soul rest as the way I stand just now. I want my job. Time's taking its toll on me. I'm turning to your bed.